hi to the YouTube people, Jay.
What's going on, everybody?
Take a look at that sweet mustache. So sweet. No, that's not Captain Hook. That's my brother, Jay. And we're taking a ride in his badass C6 in an undisclosed location here in Houston. As you can see, this is quite the spot for shenanigans. So we're gonna take some quick pictures and go over the car and show you guys what it's about. Let's get to that B-roll. Puts you back in the seat quite a bit. It's man, every time he shifts, it's just like bam, shift, bam. Definitely makes me miss my Z06. It pulls a lot harder than the Z06.
Yeah.
That's for sure. LME 427 Pro Charge F1A. This is what it's all about right here. Got too much stuff. There goes my brother. Bye, brother. I'll see you in the next one. Sweet car, look at it. Damn. Alright, let's get in the garage. I'm waiting on, as you can see, Andy, Brian, and Tony from Gas Monkey did a hell of a job trying to patch up the intake on the last pass. Yeah, we broke some stuff. So the plan is, I got with my my buddy who's a fabricator, and the plan is to get rid of the shear unit, build a custom air to water down here. That's gonna be a bigger core so that it'll cool a little better. And since we're gonna redo the cold side anyways, we'll go ahead and do that now. Clean the garage a little bit, got a little dirty. In case you haven't noticed, we're pretty heavily into cars. Any chance my wife lets me, I get right to it. I hope you liked his car. You'll be seeing more of him because he's actually lining up with us once we get Andy's rat rod and this pile behind me ready. So we got some work to do.